like a little car accident happened up here.
Oh, it looks like a bike accident.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Fuck, something flew my eyeball already. Ah. So I gotta have the visor fucking down. I took an edible the other day while I was editing some of my footage. And actually so I was supposed to only take 20 milligrams, but I accidentally took 40. Because I thought each, little candy was 10 milligrams, but it ended up being 20. So I got super duper high, I was tweaking out a little bit, and I was like supposed to be like editing my footage. And I just got like so scared. I was like, oh my god, like do I really ride like that? Like I'm going in between cars and shit? Like, so I literally just, I didn't even save it. I just X'd out and I was like, I can't do this anymore. I can't be doing this shit. Like almost like I had like a little epiphany or some shit. And then, yeah, I was just fucking high as fuck, so, damn. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I realized I was just super zooted and just being like a little chicken. Sometimes that happens. Cause yeah, I'll definitely never like smoke and ride because that shit's just fucking sketchy as fuck. So I don't know, whenever I smoke, the last thing I want to do is fucking ride or even think about riding. It just scares me. Oh, noise. It just scares me because like fucking anything could happen.
Yeah, there's another cop. Yeah, there's a lot of cops. What's going on? Look at that cop flying over here.
Not after us this time. Which direction should we ride? I kind of like where we're at. We turn right.
Alright.
This is kind of towards... Should we go find out what's going on?
They watch it.
Should we?
I think they're just looking.
I wonder who. It's Markham, so like they'll come get us,
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Not bad. It's a little windy. You know, be a crazy video. We rode this through Walmart. We just fucking fly into Walmart on these. Start doing burnouts.
Like?
Yeah. That's like the next crazy thing we could do for views. What's going on up here? Looks like a little car accident happened up here.
Oh, it looks like a bike accident.
Oh. We got dipped before the cops come though.
Yeah.
I don't want them to see me recording. You got a lot of gear on.
Yeah. Damn. Is he good? Is he good?
You all good, dude?
I don't know. Fucking somebody ran
You good?
Huh?
Your legs fucked?
Yeah.
Dude, we got hit by the light and fucking rolled all over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, he's still breathing.
Yeah. He cut the light.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, she was turning.
Fuck.
I don't know if she'll do a U-turn.
There's a cop.
Yeah. We're gonna dip. We're just checking to see if he was good.
Yeah, he's all good.
Alright. Let's go. Oh shit. You wanna go this way still? He might be alright. He's just taking a selfie. I mean, it seemed like he was good. He's just like, my leg. Well, that's our excitement for today. That's the thumbnail. Hey, you should be doing a wheelie right now, bro. What are you doing? Next one. If you see a cop coming, you have to do a wheelie. That could be a good picture. That dude was probably like, who the fuck are these people? Dude, they're so random. I'm like, you alright? My leg. Like, is this fucking SpongeBob? He's like the fish from fucking SpongeBob. My leg. That's why I'm putting a thumbnail. My leg. Don't pull the light, Chris. Don't you dare pull the light. You'll get sent flying too. What time is it?
8:30.
Not bad. I have a little free time to myself. Yeah, like today I went home, I tanned down the backyard for a little bit, I rode the bicicleta, I edited videos, and I came and did this. So it's like I didn't fucking even like, I don't know, I didn't even chillax today. And like this is how almost every day feels. And then it's like right back to fucking work. Like an endless fucking cycle. I don't know, I just got like, I was just like tweaking, bro. I was so high, I was so scared. I was editing my video and I remember thinking like, holy fuck, like, it's like I can't, it's like I can't see how crazy I am to be doing this or something, you know? But like I wasn't even doing anything that crazy. But when I'm that high, dude, hell yeah, this shit's crazy when I'm that high. 'Cause I was fucking scared, bro. If you take as many, I mean, like, you just gotta take a lot of edibles. If you took a lot of edibles, you could freak out too, trust me.